afternoon, all. It's my honor to come here. It's a privilege to be here at a hospital summit. Being a Ahluwalia Contracts, we welcome all of you. And the post-pandemic, the need of the word hospital in India has grown immensely. Fast-track execution is no longer just a strategy. We we have completed the AIIMS Hospital Jammu, which is one of the largest area in terms of area, which is 750 bedded hospital. And although our company is 40 odd hospitals is already completed, can we share this? Mr. Right now, Amit Garsa is taking some slides. After that, I will take care.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, all. So, firstly, before we start the case study, I would like to tell you about our company, what we do and what we are. In Ahluwalia Contracts India Limited, we are having offices in more than 10 cities. We are having an capabilities of more than 3,000 staff all over India. We are having a labor capacity of more than 45,000 pan-India basis, where we are executing more than 60 plus projects of different sectors. So, about Ahluwalia, we established our operations in 1969. Then in 1979, we established as a private limited company. In 1990, we established as a public limited company. Then in 2007, we listed in Bombay stock exchanges. In 2009, we listed into the national stock exchanges. These are some ISOs which we have received for the quality, safety, and ITs. So we are one of the construction company, or I would say the rarest of one who have ISO in IT. So as we are an established organization, we have certain visions, some missions, and some values. We believe in excellence, we believe in integrity, we believe in continuous improvement, we believe in quality. So we established our operations 50 years ago, and right now, lot of clients are there who believe us, who have faith in us. That's why they reward us with some memento. And these are some of the snapshot of the awards which we have received from last 2 years. These are only few which I am showing you. There are many which we have received till now. So in glance, if I talk about the Ahluwalia, we are established in more than 18 states. Also in Nepal, also we are doing a police academy, which project in JV. Right now, till now, we have delivered 8.5 CR square feet of the project, and 1.87 CR square feet we are doing right now. So these are some financial highlights. If we talk about the market capitalization, we are at a 66.2 billion, and in a turnover we are at a 40,000 million. So if we talk about the ongoing projects, these are some of the projects which we are doing in different sector. Either it's hospital, either it's commercial, either it's residential, either it's airport, infrastructure, or educational. So if you see it clearly, there are some of very reputed clients like DLF, Max, MET, CSMT, and Airport Authority. For them, we are doing multiple projects, and we have associations from last many years. So these are the top 20 projects which we are doing right now, which are higher in value, which higher in area. If you will see, DLF is there, one of the most expensive and most luxurious project of the DLF Dahlias that we are doing. Sir is taking care of that project. Another project of DLF, which is very luxurious and iconic project of DLF, which is DLF Downtown, which is situated in Gurgaon only. That also we are doing. Two of the airports, Varanasi and Darbhanga, that also we are doing. If you will see, if you will see any MET pan-India, that MET was executed and done by us only. That too on turnkey basis only. So we are into building construction only, yet we are present in every sector. Either it's industry, infrastructure, sectorial, residential, hospitals, interior fit out, metro stations, hotel, industrial, you name it, and we are there. So if we talk about the life cycle of project, if we talk about we Ahluwalia are the true blue EPC company. We have done more than 18,000 CR of the project on the EPC basis. So we provide every sort of possible and required solution into the construction. Either it's interior, civil, finishes, MOT, MGPS, either it's electromechanical, interior fit out, or information technology, or either it's a BIM or CD. We are everywhere. We do everything. At that too in-house. We don't sublet our work. We are doing everything by ourselves. So if we talk about the expertise of the ACIL in EPC, if you see at the bottom right, there we have written engineering, design, and construction. That why I have written that because we are true blue EPC, and why we are having such sort of expertise that I would like to show you here. We are into the timely completion. We are the company who complete every project on time within estimated stipulated cost and within the project timeline. We have in-house EPC cell. We have expertise in BIM, in CD, common data environment. We have expertise in SOPs, we having the resources who are expert in their field. We have our labor bank who help us to complete every project as per our requirements. So that was I was talking about what enable us as an in-house EPC company, because we connect every possible sort of dot in a construction. Either it's a designing, construction, execution, managing the project, design management, delivering the project, every sort of possible solutions we are providing in this industry. So if we talk about a EPC project, these are major scope of the work that actually there are the inclusion in the project, like civil finishes, interior fit out, MOT, MGPS, pneumatic tube system, CSSD, either is electromechanical or IT substation, every sort of things we have done. Recently we have completed AIIMS Jammu. In that we have done everything. That was EPC mode project, and these scopes were there. So we grown as a company who work on the phenomena of Samsung. We are not Nokia, we working on the theory of the Samsung. We evolve with the time. We adapt the technology. We adapt what is going on into the industry. So if you say Autodesk, Revit, Oracle Primavera, MSP, or any software, we having in-house team. In BIM also, we are having a team which consists of more than 50 teammates. So these are major projects which we are executing into the BIM, in which 2 airports are there. CSMT is there, RLD is there, Darbhanga Airport I already told you, and Tata Memorial Center also is there. So in Autodesk construction, we are the prime partner of Autodesk. We are having enterprise level license of the Autodesk Construction Cloud. In every project, we don't communicate through the mails, WhatsApp, or any sort of other medias. Whatever information we have for the project, either is drawing, either is standard documents, either is any sort of possible document, we share it on ACC, and every individual who is part of the project, they access it through the ACC only. So there is no wrong information, or there is no sort of miscommunication happen between the team members. So in BIM, we recently executed a project which is NIT Patna. So these are the models of NIT Patna, where we have started work from the structural, then we executed the architectural, we have done the facade, and we have done the MEPF modeling. So entire LOD, till the LOD 500, we have done the work there. So this is one of our commercial project where we have done LOD 500, even though as-built model we have created. So client asked us to track this project, procure the material, and give them the MIS based on this model only. There was no information like Excel. There was no information like Power BI. We have to update them through this model only. And we have to update it on every week basis. So this is the progress tracking which we used to do on Bexel. And this is a snapshot of one of our project. So now I would like to over it to Charanjeet sir. He will tell you about the project which we have executed and case study. Thank you.
This is AIIMS Jammu, what I have told you earlier. This was inaugurated by our Honorable PM in 2024, February 2024. We have started this project. These are the other hospital projects which we have already completed or ongoing projects, like as Amit told you. This is the Mother and Child Birth Hospital in Delhi, Tata Medical College, Safdarjung, Fortis, Kolkata Medical College, AIIMS. These are the ongoing projects. Tata Memorial Cancer, we are doing. Korea-Bus, Haryana. We are doing 4 max hospital, 3 in Delhi NCR and 1 in Mohali. Mohali hospital is almost nearby to ready to complete, and this Dwarka hospital is also already completed. 1 Delhi Max, Saket Max is also action of the Max is also we are doing the Max hospital, and 1 this is Sector 56 Gurgaon Max hospital we are doing. This is a Delhi Max hospital. This is Hamirpur hospital we are doing. This is Chamba Medical College, Himachal Pradesh we are doing. This is a Max Mohali. We are in the case study on AIIMS Jammu. These are the scope of work. We have done each and everything. This is since this is a EPC project. We did each and everything lock and key to hand over to the since CPWD is our client, but we handed over directly to the AIIMS through CPWD. These are the scope of work of all. There are 34 odd number of building having 750 bed hospital, having 14 residential building also, 10-story girls, boys hostel, type 4, type 5, type 6 quarters, type 8 quarters. This is a hospital building which is connected with a academic building. This is Ayush. This is also hospital block building. This is the main entrance of the building. The land of the total area is this campus is 226 acres, which is I think largest land in any AIIMS in India. OT services also we completed. This is a auditorium we completed, 7,000-seater auditorium we have completed there. This was inaugurated by Honorable PM on 20 February 24. These are the buildings we have in the whole premises. Hospital, Ayush, Medical College, auditorium, sports, animal, night shelter, transit accommodation, convenient shopping, hostels, all hostels, these quarters, other substation also. And we did the landscaping also there. Almost 13,000 trees we have developed there, and almost 5 lakh bushes we planted there. These are the features, silent features of the AIIMS hospital. All MEP, the project value is around 1253 crore. 1253 crore. Right now is completed, is almost 1476 crore we have already completed. We faced challenges during the project. The project was awarded in February 2020. I personally signed the LOI contract on 20th March. On the very next day, COVID came. So after whole year, in a whole year of 2020, we can't do anything. Well, we have not done anything. just because of COVID, this almost first, second, third wave COVID, its project get delayed more than 1.5 year. And also there is a challenge in on that duration. There is a Kisan Andolan protest. The whole of the complete material source like steel, cement, whose major material part for the developing the construction, which was held up by this Andolan. Even then, after all this activity, we completed this project in 3.5 years, having 23 lakh square feet area, 34 is all building there. We use to minimize earlier the contract was given to us to complete the buildings in different phases. Like some buildings has to complete it in 9 months, 12 months, 18 months, 24 months, 30 months, and 33 months. But since this is a hospital project and AIIMS also dedicated to the nation, since there is a very less medical services facilities in the Jammu region, so our company, along with the AIIMS teams, decided to complete the project to minimize the timeline, even though we have delayed just because of COVID and other activities. We depute 24 numbers of, we increase the infrastructure part also. Earlier we have to deploy 10 to 12 cranes. Now after that we depute almost 24 cranes there, and we put CNC machine, computerized numerical control machine to minimize the labor. Also, we have taken some all technology to avoid the delays. Like we made a CNC plant, GRC plant there. There is a complete elevation of the hospital is GRC. So we established a plant here. We completed 1.23 lakh square meter of GRC for that campus developed there, just to minimize the transportation from their source. Even then, just like GRC I've told you, even then we have put a concrete pavers plant. There is a almost 18-kilometer road in the complete campus. The periphery of the campus is 8 kilometers. So we arrange a automatic plant for making curb stone, paver, saucer drain for road work also. Even then, the complete 226 acre is connected with a drain system, RCC drain system. Though, even though in this flood, in this last month flood, there is no water stagnant in the roads. As even then I visited last time also. Director says I have never seen there is no stagnant of water in your campus. So that system is also, we did the precast system of the complete drain, almost 10 to 12 kilometer drains we have precasted there. These are the infrastructure, so that earlier it was, as per the plan, it is different. Now, after that, the COVID, we increased the complete set of the infrastructure, like we put 2 batching plant there, CNC machine there. We import this from Italy, 24 numbers of tower crane. This is safety features. Even then, there is sometimes there is a scarcity, because this project is nearby the border. Just to avoid any delays and further, we put a diesel pump with the help of local government at site itself, so that there will not be delays in the supply of diesel also. So these initiatives has taken by the company to minimize and to cover up the time loss which we have already lapsed, which is already lapsed due to COVID. Although in our industries, construction, the major part role is the labor part, which is now nowadays very crisis for the labor. So on the peak time, we have 4,000 labor there. We put 100% labor accommodation in the premises. Even then, more than 200 staff are working there. So we complete the setup there for all staffs, including we put rooms like having the toilets facilities, bathing facility, and even then all complete facility, mess facility also we provided by the company, just to speed up the work, to complete the work by 24/7. These are the GRC yard, CNC machines. We use a diesel tools also. I think time is less. These are as Amit told you, we use a BIM integration system. Even in the small building of 500 square meter of AIIMS block, we detected clashes of 700 or something. Almost 40, 50, 40 to 45 to 50,000 clashes we detect in the hospital block. And one good practice I will show you, since time is very less. These are the things. We maintain a thing like that. We through the BIM we develop a location. We identify the marks there. We put a separate thing for not to reworking of the same. We make a build clear cutouts for the crossing of all shafts like ducts and all services, just to avoid reworking because sorry. These are the other photographs. These are the tracker we are using. And also I thanks Anil Kashyap sir, who is giving us the NICMA student also. We are hiring NICMA students on the regular basis since they are also trained by the NICMA to facilitators and for the education of this latest technology. These are the awards. These are the campus we set up there. These are the process and system adopted by the company. Slide is too long. Is over. Thank you.